If not, I'll make it fine. If not, I'll make it fine. Yeah, it's good.
The Today in Yuma phone lines are open. Give Jennifer and Teresa a call at 782.
All right, you guys ready?
Yes.
Yep.
Welcome back to Today in Yuma. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Teresa.
Joining us this morning from Harvest Prep Academy, we have Josh Juarez and Gabe Salazar. Good morning, gentlemen.
Morning, how's it going?
Good morning.
We are doing good. Good to have you here.
Thank you for having us.
I can't believe you're here with as much work as you have coming up later today.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us. Now, we're having a big Summer Splash event taking place in Somerton, or San Luis.
San Luis.
The other
Sam-
S.
Yes, San Luis.
All right, and it's this afternoon.
Yeah, this afternoon we actually have the two biggest free public events of the summer, today and tomorrow. So the first one is happening today. It's a Summer Splash event at Joe Orduña Park. This is the flyer that you see here. We've been passing it out to a lot of the communities and neighborhoods there. But it's from 5 to 8 p.m. tonight. Free hot dogs, free hamburgers, free backpacks to the first 50 people who show up. So definitely want to show up early. We're raffling off a free 55-inch TV as well. Just lots of giveaways and lots of fun for everyone. I know there is a heat advisory today at 115 degrees, so it's just going to be a very nice way to cool down with us.
Definitely.
Get your child enrolled if they're still looking for a school. We're the #1 school in science in Arizona, so if they want the education that some of these local kids that achieved national recognition had, they can definitely enroll with us too.
Bring your towel today,
Yes,
like
bring
they
your
said.
towels.
You know, it's going to be warm, but what better way? You have giant slip and slides,
Yes, 32 feet high, so two
high
of them.
or
Yeah,
long?
Long.
Long.
Because they're jumpers too, though, aren't there? Like the inflatables.
Yeah, we have 4 slip and slides and I think 3 jumpers.
Oh my goodness.
So yeah, there's a lot of options there.
Yeah.
And a dunk tank.
Yes,
Yes,
a
a
dunk
dunk tank too.
That's gonna
and,
be fun.
Carnival games. What else we got?
You're going to be doing some other giveaways, like some big prizes.
Yes,
Yes.
Legoland tickets and SeaWorld tickets. So come on down, bring your family.
Yeah.
There's a lot of opportunities to win big prizes. So
Now, when they get there, you mentioned, Gabe, backpacks for the first 50 people. Is that the first 50 children?
Yeah, the first 50 children that show up, they'll get a backpack and we'll have some school supplies for them too as well.
All right.
We're also going to have face painting for the kids. So if you guys like to, get some paint on your face, come on down. We're going to paint all the kids. We're going to have face painting for free. You don't have to pay for that. It's totally free for everyone.
All right, so again, this is today, Joe Orduña Park in
Yes.
San Luis, starting at 5 p.m., going on until 8 p.m.
Yes.
Now, will they be able to actually register a child there tonight?
Yeah, there's a purpose behind this.
Yeah.
Yes.
So because it's free, we're just inviting to this event to all the community, but we will have our registration booth. So if your child is still looking for a school, we have campuses in both Yuma and San Luis. We're opening our new school, like we mentioned earlier, in San Luis in fall of next year. So we're
2026.
Yeah,
Okay.
2026. So we're now enrolling for that campus as well as our current campus right now. So we have some open seats available, and we'll be able to enroll them right away.
And how is the progress on that campus coming?
It's getting there. So our executive director has been working hard on just getting the ball rolling with that, but we're still on track to open up.
And again, even though it's not opening until fall of 2026, you can get into Harvest now and then transition right over to that school when it is ready and brand new.
Yeah, we have a fully functioning camping currently in San Luis right now, so they can join there, and once that campus is ready, they can just transfer over.
Great. All right, now you have another event tomorrow.
Yeah, so
Yes.
this is for Yuma now. So this is going to be at the Valley Aquatic Center from 6:30 to 8:30. So it's going to be after the public pool hours, but we are inviting everyone in Yuma to join. We'll have free sub sandwiches for everybody, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yes.
And DJ Josh is going to be there too.
DJ, so
We've
come
seen
on
Josh
down.
DJ at other events.
Yeah. Yeah, come on down, bring your family from 6:30 to 8:30. We're going to raffle a 50-inch TV as well, so if you don't get the chance to go today to our Summer Splash place, please come on down tomorrow. I know there's families that are, in summer camps or whatnot. They're busy. They have a busy schedule with all the summer activities, but if you can't make it today, definitely come tomorrow. And we're also going to be at Carver Park soon. We'll be announcing that date as well. If you can't make it either today or tomorrow, we're coming near your neighborhood. So please register. Bring your family.
I love that you're going to the neighborhoods.
Yes.
Makes it easy
And
for
that's
them.
important.
Yeah.
Again, Harvest Preparatory Academy, a charter school that is a public school. I always say public school with kind of the private feel.
Yes, definitely.
My child attended charter K through 6th grade, and it was a phenomenal experience for our family.
Yeah.
And I just encourage people, check it out. Do your research.
Yes.
There's lots of educational opportunities out there. So it is important that you find something that's going to be a good fit
Right.
for your child, but also your family.
Yes.
Too.
We also have a 100% graduation rate, and 98% go to college, and then they go at either CTE schools or something else. But everybody graduates with a career plan.
And
So we want to mention that.
we had your recent graduates. We're talking about
Yes.
the science recognition and
Yes.
and kind of at the national level.
Mm-hmm.
And Gabe, you had mentioned that Harvest Prep is the #1 school in science in Arizona.
Yeah.
So you have multiple opportunities for kids to get involved in different things. And if you do have a child that's showing that really, and kids are inquisitive in general.
Yeah.
But maybe they're curious about how things work. They just kind of have an analytical mind and want to do something different. Again, it's an interesting fit. And if they go to the event tonight, certainly find out more details about that.
Yes.
But you can always contact the school, do a walkthrough, find out more about what it is that you do offer at the various campuses.
Yeah, so something that we hear a lot is a lot of these parents are looking for a school that challenges their child because they have a lot of gifted and talented children, and Harvest is there for them. We'll challenge their kids in the science and technology field. Mr. Santos is our STEM coordinator. He's always looking at hands-on activities for them, so we'll definitely have some challenging projects for them to work on. And the reason why we're doing these events is a lot of families out there are just looking for a fun, free event to do during the summer especially. So that's why we're meeting them in San Luis, we're meeting them in Yuma, just so they can have a good time. It's free. We're giving a lot of stuff away. And at the same time, if they want to come to our school, they can.
And you might win that SeaWorld or the Legoland
Yeah.
trip.
Yes.
That'd be
big
a
bonus.
blast.
Yeah.
Yeah, get away from the heat for a little bit.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right, well, again, today, bring that towel, prepare for a great time.
What time again today?
Today from 5 to 8 p.m.
And then tomorrow, 6:30 to 8:30 at the
Yes.
Valley
Yes.
Aquatic Center. That is, if you're not familiar, that is located down near Cibola off of Avenue C.
Yeah.
But some great opportunities to find out about Harvest Prep and the wonderful programs that you guys have. And don't forget, Harvest Prep does have athletic teams too. I know
Yes.
for a long time that was one of, they were kind of building those teams. And you have football. Are they gearing up for football yet?
Yes. They've been conditioning all summer. So
Oh, man.
they're getting ready
Those
for,
poor kids.
Yeah.
Only because
know.
I think of the pads and the full gear.
Yes.
They're out there
Now,
working out.
when does school start for Harvest Prep?
August 6th.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Later
And
than
our
the
open
rest.
house is coming up July 31st as well
Okay,
at 4
August
p.m.
6th is the start date because again, people are looking at those different opportunities.
Yes.
All right.
And we're here for them. We're free.
Does Harvest Prep, because we haven't discussed this in a while, we've kind of gotten away from a lot of the modalities for online versus in person, some dual types of things. Is everything done in person?
So yeah, we have our 2 in-person campuses, but we also have an online school that would be an option for them too. So we're meeting them where they're at, whether they want to go to in-person classes or online.
All right, you do provide options that are available for
Yeah.
that. It's been a while since we've talked about
I
that.
know. I forgot about
I know
the
when-
online
when
aspect of
the
it.
districts do in-service days and stuff like that. The kids will work utilizing the online Canva or whatever Canvas, whatever the system is for the different school. But yeah, still some people really discovered during the pandemic that maybe their child works good.
Yeah.
They work well doing the online type format. We don't. All kids are different because
Yeah,
all
for
people
sure.
are different. You want to meet them where
I
they're
agree.
at.
Yeah.
Well, if people do have questions, maybe they can't attend either of the events today or tomorrow, and they want to find out more, is calling the office or checking out the website one of those a viable option?
Yeah, they can call us at 928-261-5783, or they can always send us an email too. We're marketing at harvestprep.com. We've been answering any questions that they have. We are available any time of day for a school tour, so if they want to check out our campus, just give us a call. We'll show them around. Wow, and we'll show them why Harvest is the #1 school in science in Arizona.
Fantastic. Well, we encourage you again, just find out more if you are curious. And again, school starts August 6th.
August 6th.
Do you have supply lists available? Or those posted
Yes, they're
somewhere?
posted
Yeah.
online.
Okay.
On Facebook, and we
Facebook.
also have for the parents the Class Dojo link there.
I remember
Perfect.
the olden times when you had to go to the school and find out.
I remember that.
Get
Yeah.
the list. Well, thank you both so much for joining
Thank
us
you.
today.
Thank
and
you.
get ready for some summer splashing tonight. And remember, drink your water. You really want to
Yes.
Stay
plan for that.
hydrated.
Yes. All right. We'll see you this evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Before they sneak out, we will take our Village and Pizza Parlor selfie here in the studio. Teresa, coming up tomorrow, we're visiting with our friends from Yuma Police Department.
Awesome.
We're going to be talking about that new collaboration and creation of a program in the Yuma community providing chaplains
Oh yeah, that's right.
to assist our first responders, but also community members. We've had several things lately that
Have
kind of
come up, yeah.
warranted that. There were requests for that. So they'll share more details about that. And Yuma Union High School District will be back talking about their upcoming school year for our high school students. Be safe out there, everyone. Again, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Don't forget these cooling sites and water stations located throughout Yuma County if you do need to get in out of that heat. And don't forget your pets too. Make sure they have fresh water if they have to be outdoors and shade all day long. Up next on Z93, it is the Bob and Sherry Show, followed by the 90s at noon with DJ Hector B and Jeff. And today we're doing some baking.
Yes.
So tune in for that. And don't forget, Outlaw Country has your favorite classic country music. KCYK Yuma and KLJZ Yuma.